Thanks for staying with us. And look who's also stayed with us. It's Jack O'Keefe.
Yes, so we've had a barbecue and you're going to treat us to the perfect dessert after the barbecue, Jack.
Exactly, the sweet treat after.
Lovely.
Yes,
So what are we doing?
After you spend so much time barbecue, the dessert needs to be really easy. And this one is the best. It's my little twist on an eaten mess.
Yes.
I call it raspberry mess. So instead of strawberries, it's just going to be raspberries.
And why did you do that?
Why? I just love meringues. I saw it on Instagram and I go, that's an idea I'm going to do.
There we go. I'll do that. It's all good.
No. Right, to start off, we're going to smash up some raspberries. I have some double cream, just really lightly whipped here, just until you get stiff peaks. And then some raspberries from the supermarket. Look, they're amazing this time of year.
Yeah.
They're sweet, they're not sour. Some really good quality Irish honey. Just pop a good bit of that in.
Would you put honey into an eaten mess as well? Or like
No,
you don't.
No.
You just have really good fresh strawberries, and that's all. So then, just make a really
really
rustic.
mashing it down.
Yeah, it's like making your own kind of simple cheater's version of a jam or a compote.
All right, yeah.
Right? Like that. And then that goes straight into the cream. Not all of it. You want to keep some back for garnishing or for finishing off the bowls after.
Lovely.
Look at that.
And then some meringues. And just
And those are
rustically
those
break 'em.
real, like,
Just supermarket
The ones that you
It's
buy,
so-
like you buy 6 of them or something like that, don't
the
you?
ones that are full of sugar. You know, the ones that aren't chewy. I love the chewy ones.
the homemade ones are brilliant.
Oh, God,
But again,
I love
like-
them so much.
This is one of those that are just so easy. Fold it through with all the cream. It
I
all
think I could
clings
even make
together.
this.
Oh, come on.
Here, I normally don't do dessert. Catherine's going to be texting me now. Hi, you, stay in your lane. You're the meaty boy.
Yeah, but it's like catching. Yeah, but I see.
I know, I'm just sitting here going, gee, Jack, we've got 6 minutes to fill in it.
It's done.
Sorry, I move slower.
What's this?
So this is icing sugar.
Oh, icing sugar,
Thank you
okay,
for
that's
reminding
for-
me that I just put a little bit in. If your meringues aren't super sweet, have a taste, and if you have a real sweet tooth, you can just shake some in. Always put your icing sugar in through a sieve because it removes all the lumps. And in any lumps that are finished, just use your fingertips.
And what the sort of calms down the sweetness
Exactly.
of it, does it? Oh, okay.
Well, no, it brings up the sweetness of
Yeah.
it.
Oh,
So it's
brings
not
up
sweet
the
enough.
sweetness of it.
And then to give it an extra summery kick, I have a lemon and a microplane, and just pop in some lemon zest. It gives it a nice kind of fruity kick,
Okay.
like so.
Lovely.
And then just have it cut for finishing. And that's it. And you can do this. This is really nice. I actually saw this on. I'm obsessed with any kind of chef that came out of that River Cottage, Hugh Farm, Whitnley kind of setup. And I saw it on their social media during the week. They did this only with blueberries and lavender.
Okay.
They cooked down the
Why do you
blueberries.
do blueberries and lavender?
Because I didn't want to obviously copy it, because he's like 1.3 million followers. So everyone would know I copied. So I just slightly copied.
That's amazing.
But he cooked the blueberries with some lavender flowers.
That's what cookery is, though, isn't it? Just copying.
Copying.
Well, they're talented enough, maybe not.
No, I get that, but like, there's only so many recipes. In all fairness, when
and
you're
it's about
sitting there
putting your
going,
own twist to it then as well, you know. Finished off some of the raspberries on top. You wanted some extra fresh raspberries, they're there. Some extra honey to give that nice kind of floral honey kick. And the key to this is with the honey, because it's so simple, the ingredients have to be really
And would you
good.
put a bit more of the
Icing sugar on top. If you wanted
in
the
it?
garnish with it, yeah,
God.
that's perfect the way it is. A little bit of lemon then. No, have a taste of that.
Look at that.
And you can add loads of vanilla to it if you wanted as well.
God.
And it works with all berries. You can do raspberries, blackberries. Like coming into September now, towards the end of the summer, you can go out and get the blackberries off the ditch, and you can do something very similar with that.
oh
You know,
yeah,
if you
that would be
left off
so
Pandora.
nice in September, actually, just getting the fresh blackberries.
You know,
No.
and again,
Beautiful.
I'm all about getting the little hands, the kids involved in cooking, learning where their food comes from. And like, this is a perfect kid-friendly recipe.
Because this is the sort of thing. Eating mess is kind of the one you can really start with kids, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
it's just smashing
Like get
things
the
up.
kids smashing up
If I was to
the
do a cookbook
meringues
for
and stuff.
beginners, eat a mess would be one of the desserts in it.
Like,
That's-
it would have to be, wouldn't it?
Because even if you're learning how to make a meringue, you're going to lose about 90% of them in your first batch. They're not going to bake right, or they're going to crumble, they're going to fall
Yeah.
apart, you're going to overcook them.
So buy them in the shop.
Put them into an eaten mess.
But if you were doing, say if you were making meringues at home, would you do those ones now that don't have much to them? Or would you do the chewy ones?
For
What's
an eaten
in
mess,
the
I'd
chewy
probably
ones?
use this because it's more, the chewy ones can be, when you mix them in, they can give you it snotty.
For something like this, you would actually want
Yeah.
to do. What's in the chewy ones? Why are they different?
They're
Yeah,
just
why are they-
undercooked.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're just not as cooked. More for supermarkets, for their shelf life, they have to fully cook the egg.
Yeah.
So that you get like a 3-year shelf life or a 5-year shelf life on them. Like if you look
You're
at the
5
packet of
years in
store-bought
a meringue.
meringues there as
You're
well.
5 years for a meringue.
Look at the packaging. I don't know what mine were, but look at the packaging. They have a long shelf life, the ones in
You enjoying that?
because they're bone dry.
Yes, I am.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Actually, I'm very
Came
much
out for
enjoying
the
that.
right for the right
I'm not allowed to do
reasons.
cookery, and I was like, sure, I'll come out and do this. So
Jack,
absolutely
as always,
delicious.
a pleasure. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. Now after
Beautiful.
the break.
It's lovely with the honey.
Yeah, it's the honey
don't like
makes
honey.
it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
We're